This is 1 month of succulent buying frenzy. Hello there, my name is Liz, a self-confessed succulent addict. Welcome to my channel, Growing Succulents. Most of the time, I'm out prospecting or fishing, so I'm not here to look after my succulents, and my succulents can look after themselves. But when I do come back from my trip, I go on a succulent buying frenzy. This is 1 month of succulent buying frenzy. Look at all my mess here. I wasn't able to do any repotting for a long time, but yesterday I opened up my potting mix to let it breathe and dry up a little bit. And today I am going to make my soil, so that way I can repot all of this. You've got no idea how much I've got. Like, that's a month of haul, or 1 month of, you say that's not much, yeah? So my lovelies, I'm just gonna talk while going around. This is 1 month, not those ones on the left, but just those ones and those ones. 1 month haul of succulents. I'm a hoarder. This is my hoard. So you'll have to excuse me for the next couple of days. I won't be uploading any video. I'm not supposed to upload a video every day anyway, but you're just getting spoiled. I'm just spoiling you, okay? So they desperately need to be... Oh, there's more up the top. Okay, I'll put you back here. Okay, I'm losing my track. So this one needs to be reported. So my lovelies. Okay, hello, my lovelies. So I won't be uploading videos for a couple of days or 3 because I need to attend to my babies. Rosa Alvarez, I'm gonna do a shout out. I just quickly had a look at your comment and you're saying, how do I find the time? Exactly, I don't. So that's why I have to make do with what I've got, and uploading videos and shooting videos takes up a lot of my time, but I love sharing information with you, and that's why I'm doing it. Hello, the little owl is begging for a little plant on the head, so I actually bought that last year, so who cares. So that's it, guys. The wind's come up now and I have to better get on and do some repotting because all these babies are not gonna grow on their own. I have to transplant them. So thank you for watching and have a lovely day. Have a lovely day. Also, before I go, could you please leave a comment? Well, of course, you have to click like, comment, and subscribe, which is the standard of what people, YouTubers say, but anyway. So I appreciate a like and also comment to let me know how much succulents do you buy in a month? Or do you just get given or lucky enough to get given some succulents? Or anyway, just leave a comment. I'm already looking at my babies here and I'm getting distracted. So okay, see you in a couple of days or 3.